Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you. It is Soap and Glory. It's a Pinker Wonderland 24-day advent calendar. It retails for £46 on the Boots website and the total value comes in, it says here, £87.75 or €106.75. I'm going to be unboxing it all, showing you what's inside. I'll pop a link down below in my description as well as links to all the other Boots advent calendars that are available. They have got a deal on. If you order online, you're able to get 10% off if you spend over, I believe it's £50. If I can find any other offers or deals, then you will find it listed down there as well, alongside all my other offers and discount codes for other websites. So you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. If you saw my recent Ted Baker advent calendar unboxing, you might recall me saying that, is it the Bergamot and Rose range from Ted Baker? I think it is. Smells identical to Soap and Glory. I didn't know what the Soap and Glory scent was. I never looked into it. So I thought I would share it with you at the start. Our signature fragrance is a crisp bergamot, crushed green leaves and mandarin refresh, gorgeous bouquet of rose, jasmine and violet, sensual notes of patchouli, oak moss and musks combine to complete our cult classic signature scent. There you go. So it's the bergamot and I'm sure it's bergamot and rose from the Ted Baker. It does smell like Soap and Glory products. If you don't like that smell, then obviously this video isn't for you, unless you're looking to purchase it for someone else. I know I'm going to be saving a lot of these products for my daughter. I've got past advent calendars, so with drawers in, so I'm going to be popping in a few little beauty treats so she can have her own advent calendar in December. But yeah, it's really pretty, as it always is. So let's get on to see what's inside. So that's what it looks like. As you open it up, they're all in little boxes. This is going to be hard for me to do. I know it. I'm struggling at day number 1. Oh my gosh. It's the biggest one. Let's open this up. Cute little box. And I've got a brightening sheet mask. I received this in the Macmillan advent calendar. Bright and beautiful biodegradable sheet mask with tiger lily, lotus flower and cherry blossom. It's to glow for a dull lackluster skin. Shows sheet mask there with all the information on the back on how to use it. Day number 2 here. Call of Fruity body butter. Scented with tropical fruits and hibiscus. Oh, 50 mils. Oh, that sounds lovely. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. It's very, very fruity, so I wouldn't like that as a perfume, but as a body butter, that's completely fine. It is just really, really sweet and fruity. It does smell really gorgeous. It's got a little pot of body butter. Okay, day number 3 up here. I've got a full-size Heel Genius. I really like this. It smells amazing and my feet feel really nice afterwards as well. It is a hydrating foot cream. A marvellous mix of macadamia oil and fruit acids smothers for seriously happy feet. And there's 125 mils there. I just realised I said, didn't I, that I'm going to be saving a lot of these products for my daughter. Ooh. No, I've got to be strong. I've got to be strong and think, right, I've got a couple of advent calendars lined up for the next month or so. Yeah, she loves Soap and Glory, so they're all going to be for her. They are. Day number 4 here. Ooh, what's this? This is a body scrub, a Magnifico Go, scented with coconut and sweet vanilla. 50 mils. This is my first Soap and Glory advent calendar I've unboxed. Please let me know if you think that it's very similar to last year's or if it's different. This is really slimy. No. Oh, I do love the smell. That is lovely. What is it? Coconut and what? Sweet vanilla. Right, I've got to be careful showing you because it's likely to fall out. Oh. I quite like that. That'd be really nice to use before I fake tan next week. What day are we on? Day 5? Over here somewhere. Yeah. We've got a Speed Plump Intensely Hydrating Day Lotion for normal and dry skin. Apply a light layer, let it sink in and apply makeup over the top. Oh, okay, for your face. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Apply your makeup on top and you're ready to go. Oh, let's try a little bit of that on my hand. It's a nice subtle smell, not perfumed. Oh, that feels lovely. That does feel nice. on my hand anyway. So you've got a Speed Plump Moisturiser. Day number 6 here. To go with a body scrub, we have got a body butter in Magnifique Cocoa, coconut and sweet vanilla. And there's 50 mils there. Oh, I really do like this smell. Oh, look at it. Oh, that is so nice. No, I'm not going to put my finger in it. I want to, but I know my daughter's going to love this. Or maybe I'll just put a little blob there. Just to try on my arm. From the lid, look. She won't notice. She doesn't watch my videos anyway. I love that smell. That is such a gorgeous smell. So you've got a Magnifique Cocoa body butter. Day number 7 down here. Oh, Perfect Zen Bubble Bath Bar. In the shape of a cloud. We haven't got a bath, but we do put things like this into foot baths, so I'm sure that she would do that. I can't smell it. I can't smell it. What's it smell of? No, I can't smell it through it. But yeah, we've got a bubble bath. Day number 8. Down here. Oh my gosh. Everything's falling down. Okay. We have got our body wash, Clean On Me, hydrating in their signature scent, and yet it says here rose and bergamot. 75 mils. So I wonder if the Ted Baker Rose and Bergamot is identical. Because they're both by Boots, aren't they? No, maybe this is a bit sweeter. Oh, I don't know. I haven't got a clue. The Ted Baker Soap and Glory smelling stuff is more like a more mature version of the Soap and Glory Rose and Bergamot smell. Not saying that this is for children, not at all, but that's how I would describe it. I'll just shut up now. So you got body wash. Day number 9 here. And we have got another sheet mask. This is a Speed Plump Hydrating Miracle Moisture, Hyaluronic Acid, Rosa rugosa, Safflower and Peony extracts. This is to hydrate for normal to dry skin. So we've had the moisturiser in the Plump Speed, or the Speed Plump, and now we've got a sheet mask. There's that. Day number 10 over here. Oh, a little mask. The packaging is gorgeous, isn't it? It's so lovely. This is a Puffy Eye Attack Hydrating Under Eye Brightening Hydrogel Patches. Refreshes and revitalises tired puffy eyes with cucumber juice and licorice root. Oh, that sounds really, really good, doesn't it? Oh, yeah, that does sound really nice. Maybe I'll keep them for myself. I might do. We'll see. We'll see. Today, what are we? Day number 11. We've got another mask. This is for your lips this time. Hydrogel lip mask with coconut water and hyaluronic acid. Lips are instantly smoother and fine lines appear filled out. And this is Pout About It. It's got a lip mask there. Oh, I think we're on 12, aren't we? Yeah, down here. We've got a big body scrub. This is 200 mils of the scrub of your life. Smoothing body scrub in the original Super Glory scent, Rose and Bergamot. A fine but effective scrub featuring mandarin extract and pink wax spheres to help gently reveal radiant skin that's positively glowing. Yeah, I've tried this many, many times and it is a lovely product. But I think I prefer the other one. So as she's got the other one, what is it called again? It's something cocoa something, isn't it? I'm looking down there. It's something, it's the coconut and vanilla one. I might have that for myself and give this one to her. Day number 13 here. Got another mask. Oh, the Fab Pore biodegradable pore refining sheet mask with lemon balm, lavender and eucalyptus to clear for oily combination skins. I know she will love that. So yeah, I'll have to give that to her. Day number 15. I was convinced I was on day number 12. We've got Cola Fruity, a body wash, refreshing body wash. There's 75 mils there. That's the lovely tropical scent and hibiscus. That's it. Yeah. Oh, it's lovely. Smells like a really gorgeous like cocktail. Body wash. These are all falling now. Number 16. Day number 16. We've got a Face Soap and Clarity Vitamin C Facial Wash for cleaner, smoother, more radiant skin. And there's 50 mils here. Oh, it's got little beads in it. Anything that's blue just reminds me of fresh marine type scents, you know, not seaweed. You know what I mean? And it does, it smells like that. Oh, that's so nice. But what are the beads? The beads, vitamin C, do they like pop? Squeeze a grape-sized measure onto damp skin, rub into a lather, then rinse. Follow with your eye cream and moisturiser if needed. Oh, it doesn't say anything. But yeah, there's little beads in there. I'm not sure if you'd be able to see them on camera. But yeah, they probably pop on your face. I quite like that. Because they're all falling down everywhere, I've just missed day number 14. I'm sure I did the same with the Macmillan calendar. Was it day 14? What is it with me? Oh, that's quite nice. Look, that's really cute. A little scrunchie. My daughter's got black hair, so that would suit her really well. I'm not sure whether that would look all right with my ginger hair. Well, no, to be honest, I don't care. I don't care about clashing colours. Not really. But no, I like that. I like you got a little scrunchie there with the little ties. Right, back on track. What are we? 17, I think. The big one over here. Ooh, wrapped up. Oh, we got 2 of these. I love these. I love them. They're makeup remover pads, really nice and squishy. These are huge, really huge. But I prefer black, in all honesty, because it hides stains.
I don't know that.
Oh, she's talking to me again. She did that in one of my other videos. Alexa's dodgy. I'm telling you, dodgy. I'm going to have to turn it off. I keep meaning to do it. I need to turn it off when I'm not using it. She's listening all the time. But yeah, back to these pads. Lovely, really handy, gets your makeup off beautifully. Yeah, really nice. So I know my daughter's going to love those. She's going to put them in the bathroom anyway, so we'll probably share those. Day number 18. Ooh, Perfect Zen Calming Bath Milk, 75 mils. That's nice. Smell the lavender. Yeah, no, that's nice. But she'll pop it in a foot bath. Day number 90. Ooh, heavy one. We've got the Righteous Butter. Massive body butter in the original scent. And it says here, a hydrating blend with shea butter, vitamin E and rosehip oil for 72-hour moisturisation. And there's 300 mils there. So a huge pot. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the swirl. Oh, I just put my finger right in there, but I can't. Yeah. I'm obsessed. I love body butters. I love them. It's a nice big tub. Day number 20. Oh, we got a candle. Perfect Zen Lavender and Tonka fragrance candle. Oh, look. That is really nice. Oh. Okay, 21 down here. We got a hand cream. This is hand food. This is hydrating hand cream with macadamia oil, marshmallow and root extracts, scented in the original scent, and 50 mils there. I already got one of these. I got one in the Macmillan advent calendar. I think so. I'm sure. I got a hand cream. This can definitely go to my daughter. I just moved them all together because it just makes more sense because they're falling all over the place. Day number 22. And we've got a Soap and Glory, a nail file. Trying to work out, are they both the same? Yeah, they're both the same, I think. So we've got a nail file there. 23. We've got a brush. Not a brush, a brush cleaner. It's a brush cleansing pad. Put behind your hands there, get your brushes, pour a little soap, rub it in. Helps get rid of all the makeup off your brushes. A little pad there. I know she'll like that. I thought she'll find that handy. And last, day of the box. Day number 24. Oh, we got a perfume. Roll on the Glory Rollerball Fragrance. 10 mils. And this is the original scent, Rose and Bergamot. I'm just going to try a little bit there. Yeah. I thought because it's a perfume oil, it would be a little bit stronger maybe, but it's not. It's not. It's quite nice. I know that she'd like that. Got a 10 ml perfume there. So those are all the products inside this year's Soap and Glory Advent Calendar. 24 days, it costs £46, it has a value of £87.50, and yeah, there's some really lovely things there. I'm looking to the side of me because it's all scattered around by my feet. As this is my first Soap and Glory Advent Calendar unboxing, I can't say how it compares to previous boxes, but I love the fact that they've got a great mix of products there of different scents. I absolutely love the tropical and vanilla scent, that is beautiful. I'm definitely going to be keeping the eye mask for myself and the coconut and vanilla, the body scrub. I know she'll share the makeup remover pads with me. It's an affordable calendar. If you love Soap and Glory, I think this is really nice. You've got a really great selection of products, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this Advent calendar? And my dogs have just started barking, so I'm gonna have to go, but thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.